So in today's video here, I'm going to show you how you can get started with anti-gravity. So you probably have heard anti-gravity and how people are using it to like develop full stack app, website, and the rest. So I'm going to show you how you can install it on your system. So it's more of the next generation ID. So it's a new thing, yeah. So I'm just going to show you how you can install it or run it on your system. So let me not just waste your time. So let's just get into it now. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Google. Just open Chrome or use any browser of your choice. Then search for anti-gravity. It's going to come out. So this is it. So this very first one. So this is how the website looks like. It's very, very clean. Yeah. They have this nice effect. So Google Anti-Gravity Experience lift off with the next ID. So here you have download for Windows since I think it has it knows that I'm using a Windows PC. That's why this is here. But if you want to download for other PC, so you can just come here and click on download. So download Google for Antigravity for Windows. You select your download for Mac, for Windows, and for Linux. So I can just click for the one that's more compatible with my system, which is this one. Then it start downloading. So it's going to take a while, depending on your internet speed. So we just give it a few seconds for it to download and we'll come back to it. So as you can see, it has finished downloading. If I click on download now, you see it has downloaded anti-gravity. I'm just going to double click to run this program. So you double click, then you wait for it to load. So this is what it's going to like show you. I have to accept this. I don't really have choice. So you just accept the agreement, then click on next. So this is where my file is going to store the anti-gravity thing is going to like install. At least 1.14 gig of free space is required. So you have to have this on your hard drive. If not, it's not going to install. Then I'm going to click on next. Don't create a startup menu folder, blah blah blah. Just leave that. For this, I can just say create a desktop icon. That's cool. Depends on you. If you don't want, you can leave it unchecked. Click on next, then click on install. So this is going to start installing. Yeah. So setup is preparing to install. Depending on how fast your system is, that file is going to install. So you just give it some few minutes or seconds. Yeah. So we'll come back to this. So after some minutes, it has finished installing. So this is it. You just click on finish, then it's going to launch anti-gravity automatically. So I just click on finish. Then anti-gravity starts immediately. So this is anti-gravity. Yeah. So funny thing is I've installed it before on my system. I think that's why it's showing this page. So it's has same interface as VS Code. So if you use VS Code before, I don't think you have an issue using this basically. So it's just simple actually. So yeah, on the left hand side rather we have Explorer, we have search code, we have source control if you're using GitHub and the rest. Then run a debug, remote explorer extension. So you can add extension to just like VS Code. So you can add your publish HTML, blah blah blah, your code prettier, you can just install basically. So it's that simple, it's that easy. And I feel this is more cleaner for the fact that we have an AI agent on the right hand side that you can use to just talk to and it starts to like build whatever you want it to build for you. So it's not that complex, it's very easy to use if you have developed a website before. So yeah, we have terminal. We have our terminal. It works same way as our normal terminal. We have PowerShell here. So you can change. Probably you want to add another terminal, you can. So depending on you, I just delete this. So it works as our normal terminal works. So it's simple to use. You can do CD, it takes you back, directory. So this my landing page. This is the page I've created before. So you can just create page, make the arrow, can create page from here and the rest. So it works same way as VS Code basically. So if you have been using VS Code or you know how to use VS Code, this is fine for you. So it's not that complex. You have a normal file, you can create file, run, terminal and the rest. Then on this right hand side, here is where the magic happens. Here you can just chat with anti-gravity and it creates whatever you want it to create for you. So for now, I went back to my folder. So I can just click on, you see, I've already created something before, but this is not what I want. And as you can see, I've gone back. So if you use VS Code, this should not be very, very difficult for you to use. But if you are just learning or this is the first time of you seeing this whole interface, you probably want to learn the basics of HTML, CSS, and the rest, or how to use VS Code before you come here. So that's it basically. My next video, I'll use this to like create something, probably a landing page for a start. Then we'll move to creating a full stack app, then how to like link to Stitch and the rest, how to get design online and all of that. So I'll see you guys in the next one. For now, bye. And wait, please do not forget to like this video and share, subscribe for more like this. So I'll see you guys in the next one basically.